Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 14th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, price is pushing down into 78%, pretty decent as you can see. Now, if it breaks this low right here, then that's how we're going to know 100% for sure that this thing is going all the way back down, probably below these lows. As of right now, this push down that we see could always possibly be a pullback to this last push up. So definitely keep an eye on it. If this really is the end of a crescent over here, then that means this first push up would be a wave one or maybe a wave A. Most of the time, wave one, wave A ends around the structure of wave B, which we have not reached yet. So going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up, which is very, very clearly 5 waves as you can see. So in my opinion, there's either two options. We're either making a pullback to these 5 waves, maybe 38 to 78%, or this is going to maintain a very impulsive move to the downside today. If it does maintain a very impulsive move to the downside and breaks this structure, that's how we're going to know that the higher time frames are going down in a much, much bigger way. But there's definitely no reason to think that that is definitely what's going to happen. So keep an eye on these fib levels. If you see 3 waves down, impulsive up, then I would definitely take it as a long. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.